Right, so then a lot of other people will be at the place where we're going to meet, and then we're going to jump on the highway together. It's going to be a big convoy basically. So good! Right. Huh?
You're on time.
I know, I did say to you, it's running alright man, it's running alright. So far so good man.
Have you got
I ain't going to shake hands this time, but you okay, yeah.
How you doing, boss?
I'm good man, I'm good. Good, yeah. I made it, don't worry man. Right, nice to meet you. Okay, yeah, we can. It's the G though today. It's ready man. Oh! That's the first time I tried that. I ain't tried that. It's almost ready. Alright, everybody's setting ready. It's time to roll out and go to the car show. Oh, what the hell? I can't park up. That's a lot of smoke, bro. I was gonna say. Mad. See you coming out of the injector. I was actually filming it when you went past. So I've got it recorded. It was loud. I thought, what the first K20. I bet you guys thought it was my Civic smoking in it. Be honest, innit? You thought it was my Civic in it. Low compression. Kaput. He's gonna catch us up in another whip, surprise whip, and that's it. So let's head back to the cars. RPM, right? Put foot down slowly. That is so quick. That turbo is instant, guys. Inside the part, we actually made it with the car. We did stop about a few times, gave it a few cool down 30 minutes, but nevertheless we've made it. Let's get on the races and do our tests on the car. The whole show right now, the amount of people in there, up against a four-wheel drive car right now. I made the tyres, brought it down to 12 psi, see if it makes a big difference. I know it's a big decrease, but they say Civics have to be very low psi's. So let's try it now with 12 psi above tyres. They're looking really flat, but if we cracked the 13s, it worked. Let's go for 12. I'm hyped now. Come on. Right, the shirt's off, the helmet's on. Let's crack that 12 second. Let's go. Because that launch was kind of rubbish, but 30 seconds I'll take it again. Didn't get 12. Didn't get 12. 13, 6.
My favourite, yeah.
If you had any money, what car would it be? Wow, Skyline.
Yeah, Skyline.
Alright. Well, thank you very much. Good luck, man. Any words? Quick.
No, I've got a slight misfire.
Yeah.
And it's going to be very, very smoky because it's oil and and slow. Yeah, no, I like your Civic. It's
alright, man. It's alright, man.
Sounding good.
You could drive it, send it if you want. Trying to crack 12 seconds with it, man.
5 seconds, yeah.
12.
5 seconds. Good luck.
Oh, man, do it, man. Anyway, best of luck. We'll collab soon, man. Alright. Make sure we'll do, man. Right, guys, we're back. And now we're gonna attempt 12 seconds. This is my 4th run, so let's get it. I've just done the run. The GoPro didn't record it, but I gave it my all in that run. But now the car's making some strange sounds. The battery's like blinked off the back of the car, and now the car is not sounding good. So basically, let's see, go on. Oh my lord. Ah, look at that, man. The radiators fully came out of the car, man. Zip ties as well.
Oh, is that why it's fell off? It's far hard.
I hope the radiator should be alright. Fully let off. Yeah. Oh my god. That's bad, man. I was thinking something was hitting the floor.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at that. Fully flinged off the thing. That bounced in the car. I hope we got a 12-second run for that. Oh man, I hope it was all worth it just for that run, man. I really do hope it was worth it. I really gave it everything and almost broke the car to pieces.